Hi, kids! Today we're going to learn action words while we move together. Come on! Let's say them, do them, and laugh together. Let's go! I am jumping. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am running. I am running. I am running. I am walking. I am walking. I am walking. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am singing. I am singing. I am singing. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am kicking. I am kicking. I am kicking. I am throwing. I am throwing. I am throwing. I am catching. I am catching. I am catching. I am climbing. I am climbing. I am climbing. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am playing. I am playing. I am playing. I am drawing. I am drawing. I am drawing. I am painting. I am painting. I am painting. I am writing. I am writing. I am writing. I am reading. I am reading. I am reading. I am eating. I am eating. I am eating. I am drinking. I am drinking. I am drinking. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am cleaning. I am cleaning. I am cleaning. Yay! You did amazing! Keep moving and learning every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next fun adventure. Bye-bye.